Do you want to know what the free Wealthy Affiliate Starter Membership is, who it is for, and if it's even worth it? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael, and a while ago I made a full Wealthy Affiliate review where I show you insights, show my results, and show what you can use it for. And I also explained that Wealthy Affiliate offers something unique. They actually offer a free membership so you can try certain aspects for free. And since then, a lot of people have asked me about this, so I decided to record this video where I explain more about exactly what that offers and who it's for. So in case you didn't watch my full Wealthy Affiliate review, I will leave a link in the top corner here. I will also leave a link to a written one I have on my website so you can check everything out below there. This one will focus on the free starter membership because one unique thing Wealthy Affiliate offers as a platform that will teach you how to make money online and give you all the tools that's necessary for that is that you can actually get to test drive it for free. But I also just want to make it very clear that this is not necessarily for everyone. I love that they give you the chance to actually test the training, test the tools, but you need to be aware that this is a test drive. This is not to build a full-time income. Of course, you will not get access to full training, full support, all the tools, all that, so you can run a profitable business without any investment. This is a test drive, and that's very important to understand because I've tested many ways to make money online, and when it comes to like training platforms like this and tools like this, I've not come across any other platform that actually gives you the chance to try it for free. So I do love this aspect. But some people then think that they can join and they get disappointed when they can't get full support, full training and all that completely for free without ever investing. And that's just not realistic, of course. If you want to build a real online business online, you need to also be willing to invest at some point. You don't have to do that right away. I will talk a little bit more about later what it means to actually invest in a premium membership. I just wanted to make it very clear to avoid any confusion that the free starter membership is if you think it sounds interesting, but you would like to test it before making the decision whether it's for you or not. And if it is for you, you should be willing to invest in a premium membership. That would be necessary to actually take your business live and start earning. But let me now log in, and then you can see what you would actually get with this free starter membership. So I've just created a new account so I can show you what it actually looks like. I just also want to make it clear that the exact look and feel of it, this can change from time to time because Wealthy Affiliate continuously update and make changes to improve the user experience. And I've been a member for like more than 7 years. And one thing I do really like is that they continuously, when they make changes, are trying to improve it and make it more efficient for the users to use the platform. So I just want to make that clear. But what you will get is that if you decide to join, you will come to a screen where you will see, in some case there, you will see one of the owners there explaining a little bit more about it, how to get started. You will then be taken through the different steps. You will continue to choose a niche. But first you say here, how do you want to make money online? You would choose your niche, and then you get these different niche tools. They have AI tools that makes it super easy to find the right direction. And what's important is when you first start here, this is where you create what they call the business hub, where you will take all the training, where you do everything like that. It's super simple. You just go through everything step by step. This can be changed later, so it's not that you have to be like super worried about that. You can just choose what you're interested in now. You can write a passion, you can do all this there, but if you then change your mind, it can be changed later. This is just to give you an efficient, quick start. And then you also choose your name, like the business name it can be. So again, I'll just choose something randomly because I just want to show you what's going on here. And then you can see, then it actually builds a website because they have hosting, they have website tools included here. So it actually builds that. So I just need to click here to build it. You can change this here also, again, the domain name and things like that. Later, if you decide to take your business live, then and actually invest in it and everything, then you will get a proper domain URL included in that. So for now, I'll just build it just to show you that it's actually super fast. I'll just be back here in a few minutes when that's done. So that was it. That actually took less than a minute, and then you have actually chosen the initial direction there. You have the foundation, you have a website. Actually, you can start adding things to there. You can see it has successfully been built there. It is actually even live here, and you can then go here to it and you can get started here. And this is where you, for example, can start with the training. So first of all, go through everything that it shows you there step by step. It will also help you fill out your profile. Make sure to fill out your profile. On your profile also, if you decide to join, as mentioned, I will leave a link below to a full written review. At the top of that, you can find a joining link. That is my invitation link. If you join through that, we will automatically be connected. And a few minutes after you join on your profile, you will actually get a welcome message from me. So we are connected, so you can get direct help from me in there. So just wanted to mention that also. So make sure to fill out your profile. Keep an eye out for that message also there, say hi there, and then we are in contact and I can help you. But after that, after you've gone through that, then that's where you can start with the training, and you have all the milestones and all these things there. They give you website structure, ideas, everything. So don't get overwhelmed, because they take everything step by step, and it is meant for complete beginners. And this is what you would get access to with a free starter membership. And these are here, you can see some of the classes that I would then get access to just with the free starter membership. You will of course not get access to the full training, but you will get a taste of what it is. You will start the first steps of actually creating something on your website, understanding the whole business model of affiliate marketing, and creating a real online sustainable business. All this you can test completely for free, and you even get access, you can see, to some of the AI tools they have that helps you come up with really great content ideas for your specific topic there. And again, if you decide to upgrade at some point, this will become even more effective. Again, this is a test drive, but you actually get to test the tools before you decide whether you want to invest in it or not. And you can see some of the other tools here. Yes, some of them will require you to upgrade, but if you just follow through the training there, then you will get to test the tools, you will get to test the training, you will understand the whole business model, and that's what this is meant for. You will also be able to ask me questions and communicate with me on the message that I send on your profile. You can ask below these classes, you can ask in the comments if there are any questions, and other people will be able to help you there, and I will also see it, so you will actually get help to understand everything if there's something you do not understand. So what I recommend if you want to try this is join with the free starter membership. You can see, go through everything there. You can quickly get started, but then be prepared to take some time to go through the classes, take action on the steps, because this is what will help you understand whether this is for you or not. But let's then talk about what you can then get if you decide to actually go live and upgrade after you have tested this. So with the free starter membership, you get a really good sense of what it is, and if this is the type of online business you want to create. Then you can decide if you want to upgrade, because if you are serious, you should only join if you're serious about creating an online business. Then you can find out if this is for you or not, the tools, the training, everything. What I love about it is that everything is included. So you do not need to invest in other tools or anything like that. When I first started my online business, I didn't invest in anything else than just Wealthy Affiliate and the tools I got there for the first year, and then I was actually able to build a profitable online business without investing in anything else. So that's what I love. But you can see here the monthly prices. They have Premium and Premium Plus at the time of recording this video here. You can see the differences here. For example, the AI writing tools there, you will still get to test that as a starter. The author platform there, you will have a practice website, you will have this business hub I showed you there, some keyword research, you will have helper support, but it is limited. You can ask questions and things like that. But compared to the premium memberships, for example, you will have like full support, you will have live chat also with other members, you will have access to all the training. You can see like 20 classes. There are live training classes every single week. You get access to that, technical support, all that. And then you also get like a real domain depending on the membership. The membership will also depend there on like how many word credits for these AI tools there. So this is something you can decide on after you have tested the free starter membership, where you know what the tools are all about. about. But basically the difference is how many AI credits do you get, how many classes will you get access to. You get access to everything you need to build a successful business with just regular premium. That's what I did when I first started. Before I actually upgraded, you can choose whatever. That's up to you what you want to do, but you also get access to hosting more websites there, business hubs and things like that, more keyword research. But if you decide to actually upgrade, I would also consider going yearly, because you can see here there's a huge difference. You can have huge savings if you decide to do that. And especially on the Premium Plus, you save a huge amount every single year by going yearly. Also, that means that you're actually committing to yourself to give yourself time to actually make this work. So many people have asked me what they would get with the free starter membership on Wealthy Affiliate, and I hope this video helped you make that clear. As mentioned, the experience can change a little bit because they do optimize it, they make it easier all the time. But what is important to understand is that it's a unique chance to actually get to test the platform before deciding whether it's for you or not. But you should not join if you have no intention of ever investing into creating an online business. It is a free test drive to test everything, to test the tools, but only if you know that, okay, if you find out this is for you, then you should be willing to upgrade. If you test it and find out it's not for you, then you never have to do anything. Then at least you save your money because you actually get to test it for free. And if you want to give that a go, then as mentioned, I'll leave a link below to a full written review I have of Wealthy Affiliate on my website. You can also read all about what it actually offers there. And at the top of that article, also I have an invitation link. If you join through that, we will be connected, and you can also ask me questions directly in there, and I will be there to help you and support you. So I hope this video helped clarify exactly what it is, what you can expect, and whether this is for you or not. And if the video did help you, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.